Hello and welcome to day number... Is it number 6? I think it's number 6. Or maybe 7. Anyway, we left our lovely resort, Mr. Big Villas, and we're now heading to Bucharest to meet the guys from Romanian motorcycle tours. And then we will head to the south of Bulgaria. Maybe north of Greece, I'm not sure yet. But we're gonna stay somewhere there. That's it for now. Here comes the map.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, a life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero.
And we're entering Bulgaria from Romania. First thing we can see is a nice bridge, a nice river, I guess, and a nuclear plant. It's now 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So we're quite late. Bulgaria. I used way too much time on Romania motorcycle tours. I think we used like 2 hours instead of the half one that we planned. But it was a nice lunch and met Maria and her husband and Sea Traveler. So it was a good time. I just have to speed up a little bit to get close to the Greek border. But we also found out that we have to stop at this Bulgarian national monument. So I don't think the Greece border is doable today. If you stop there for half an hour, it's a little detour. So that's gonna be fun. Same as it's gonna be fun here. Stand in this fucking queue. Yes, Demo, you have the right idea. lot of space. See? It's one for trucks and one for cars. That's how we like it.
It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need.
Don't spray me, motherfucker.
Gonna give it a shot.
Actually, it's nice.
Of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero.
Where do we go? All the way on the right, in the middle.
Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Can I be your superhero?
So we made it over the Romanian-Bulgarian border, and just that you know, as a motorcycle you don't have to pay the toll roads, you can just drive. And right after that we ran into police cars which said something like Poliția de Frontier, but they had Romanian plates on. So I was thinking, fuck it, they have no say in Bulgaria. And I overtook them. It doesn't seem like Temo did that. So I don't know how far behind he is. So we're still on the road. It's 6:15, 7:15, and we should getting close to this monument. Which Romanian motorcycle tours suggested that we go and look at. Also the Greece border is still 5 hours away. So I'm not gonna make that one. Because I think we have to ride this road back. And as you see, you cannot do 100 here. At least you can see the potholes. Do I go left or right? Have my camera on, so I don't know. Oh yeah, Temo says left. Hope he's right. Probably those two roads join. I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah. Yep. That's what happens when you don't follow the street. You hit the big pothole. I also like monuments get built in city centers where people can actually see it. But not here.
It's not flat, but we have to check your air pressure.
Okay. Low air pressure.
Look like that.
Hope I didn't puncture it. Think I can see the monument. Fuck, those are long 10 kilometers. There it is. How do we get up there? There goes no road up there. I think. Or maybe. But Temo, think we can get up there?
Well, somebody built it and there must be a service way anyway, so
Yeah.
we can, but do we really want to? That is the question.
Yes, and then we go there. We sleep there tonight. Hotel Edelweiss. Because it's soon 8 o'clock. Or it's 7:36.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, a life destroyed. Until I woke awake, scream my mind.
not working.
Not good, no.
So let's go and ask the room.
How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Superhero.